guys, welcome back to a new video. It is vlogmas day 8. It is currently 1:13, y'all. 1:13, and I got some stuff that I have to do, and I'm gonna just take y'all on with me. I'm gonna put some more products up on my Etsy account. I also have 2 orders to fulfill, and I want to ship them out tonight. I'm going to the post office that stays open 24 hours. Literally just scan them and drop them off. Don't have to be around anybody. Love it. Then I also want to restock my samples. So that's what we finna do tonight. I'm not gonna lie, I'm honestly sleepy. Like so freaking sleepy right now. But I want to get this done so that I can be prepared to upload tomorrow, and I can go ahead and start filming another video. Trying to stay on track. This is the gloss that I'm wearing right now. I forgot the name. It's a new gloss. Just made this up earlier. It's a part of a bundle. Very pretty. Very limited. Go shop the bundle. I have the name on the screen because I'm so serious. Like, I really forgot. You know what? This might be Winter Wonderland. I think it is. So yeah, make sure you shop the bundle, support the brand. If you have not checked out day 7, which is me creating the glosses, make sure you go check it out, support the content. I greatly appreciate it. I am uploading every day for 25 days, and I'm doing really good so far, and I just pray that I can keep it up. So yeah, let's see, what do I want to do first? I guess we can go ahead and make the samples first. Or should we get this jar ready? Because one customer did order a jar. Maybe we should get the jar ready and then do the samples, because she did order some samples. So we'll do the jar first, and then I'll restock some samples, and then we'll pack both orders up. Yeah, that's how I'm gonna do that. So let's go ahead and get everything set up and out, and then yeah, I'll come back and we'll get started. This is literally my favorite product to fulfill because it's so fast. Very, very simple. If you do not want to deal with trying to get the perfect pigment, we are here for you, and we will do that for you. We have tons of glosses available. Glitters, pigments, tint, clear. You're guaranteed to find something that you will love for your business or yourself, whichever. But this is the gloss Obsessed, and like I said, she ordered unscented, no oils. So I'm going to measure out my gloss. We need 8 ounces. But I cannot wait to lay down in my bed. I don't know why I decided to do this so late, but we're getting it done. We're getting it all done tonight. I'm gonna at least try to upload like 2 more products on my Etsy account. I had set it up the other day. I know it's probably gonna take a while to get some customers up there, but I at least want to go ahead and upload some more products. So I'm just gonna upload my retail glosses, and I already have my unscented no oils jars up there. So I'm gonna just put my retail glosses up there, because I was looking at other people's accounts up there, and the retail glosses be doing really good. So I think mine will do really good up there, because my products are bomb. If you know, you know, okay? My products are bomb. What I'm really excited about is that when I do start getting sales up there, I notice that people leave reviews. That's the only thing I don't like, is that people don't leave reviews. Like, you can email me, leave it in the comments on Instagram or something. I should have just set it up on my website, but yeah, that's something I really want, is more reviews on my products, because I do have a good amount of returning customers, and I would love to hear what they think of my products. That would definitely help me get more customers. if you're a return customer and you're watching this video right now, you know, send me an email. Send me an email or leave a comment on my Instagram. And let me know. Let me know what you think. Send some pictures, something. Like it all helps. Trust me. Now all I have to do is add the pigments. This is what it's looking like. No oils. You need some clear gloss. It's available. And it'll come just like this. This glitter literally gets everywhere. And I just took a shower and I'm already knowing it's gonna be on me. All right, so this is what it's looking like before I mix it. It is so pretty. Look at those glitters. And this is actually the gloss that I have been wearing in my recent vlogs. Whenever I'm applying my gloss, this is the gloss that I'm applying. Obsessed. And it's strawberry scented. Like, I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I am more of a glitter and clear type of girl. And for my pigmented glosses, you'll see me in Millionaire or High Class. I'm not the girl that likes wearing the bold pink colors. I just feel like it doesn't fit me. Now, lipstick, I do like a red lip. I've done a red lip and I like how that looks on me. I've done dark purples, but like pink lip gloss, pigmented pink lip gloss, I just don't like how it looks on me. But one thing about owning a business is that just because you don't like something doesn't mean that other people don't like it. And if you've been here watching the business videos, then you know my nude glosses are really popular, even the pink ones. So just because you don't like something doesn't mean that your customers won't like it. So that's why I have like a huge variety. Like I literally have something for everyone. You're guaranteed to find something that you'll love on my site. But I definitely believe that if I were to use like a brown liner, then it would look better. But just wearing the pink gloss by itself, I don't really like how it looks on me. If you are not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button and leave a like and leave a comment. Engagement helps me out a lot. I'm so ready to grow again. Like, can we hit 12K? Can we get 12K? So now I'm going to go ahead and put it in the jar, and the jar was cleaned out earlier. So it is ready to go. And then I'm gonna add my little janky label. And then we'll be done. Very easy, very fast. And there we go, 8 ounces. All right, so now I'm gonna add the label and close it up. And we'll be done with the jar. Then we're gonna go ahead and fill a couple sample jars. This is bad, bro. This is what I have in here right now. I'm about to make a couple, not too many, because as y'all can see, I don't have that many jars. And these are clean. We'll put on a fresh pair of gloves. Now we're gonna go ahead and fill these jars. I actually think I'm gonna order some more and do like a huge restock. And here are the samples, just a couple. These are from the semi-loose collection and the new and improved collection. If you are interested in trying our glosses out to see what our formula is like, get a feel of the consistency, or just to see how the shade looks on your lips, click the link in the description box and click on the tab Start Your Own Business, and that's where you will find our samples. Now let's go ahead and pack these orders up. These 2 glosses are available, 2 glosses are available, and samples and lip scrubs. Maybe I'll restock my retail lip scrubs in the next video as well. We can definitely do that. These are the 3 samples that she ordered. It Girl, Billionaire, and HBIC.
Turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside.
So I decided to add some peanuts inside just to be on the safe side. Go ahead and get the other order ready real quick. These are our limited edition glosses, literally only $3.33. We have some left. Make sure you go shop, okay?
Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a son and finish up. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now, I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own.
Now I'm going to use the phone I'm recording on to print out the shipping labels and get everything all taped up and ready to go. And then I guess I'm gonna go ahead and drop these off tonight so I don't have to do it tomorrow, because I don't know what time I'm gonna get up tomorrow, so I'll just do it tonight. We are here. I'm so sleepy. Finish. Print. Right now, I am getting the bundle up here. I'm on my phone because I have all my pictures on my phone. I don't feel like having to transfer it. My laptop is right here though. But yeah, so I'm uploading some products onto Etsy.